In a world saturated with entertaining cartoons, many overlook the untapped potential of their screen time. Every hour spent in front of a screen might seem harmless while enjoying animated adventures. But what if that same moment could turn into a stepping stone for a brighter future? Imagine leveraging that time to delve into the fascinating world of artificial intelligence, a field that is revolutionizing how we interact with technology and reshaping careers. The allure of cartoons is undeniable, yet there lies a stark contrast between passive consumption and proactive learning. Instead of letting the clock tick away with mindless amusement, why not discover AI tools that can write captivating stories, create stunning visuals, and even lead you to entrepreneurial success? Platforms such as ChatGPT can serve as playful companions in answering queries, while Canva with AI opens the door to creativity by allowing kids to design eye-catching logos and thumbnails, rendering endless possibilities. Today's youth are empowered like never before. Harnessing innovative technologies can create a myriad of opportunities. The future does not wait until adulthood. There are young minds already thriving, earning money through YouTube channels or apps built utilizing their knowledge of AI. This shift from mere consumers of content to makers is crucial, and parents can play a vital role in guiding their children. With just a small effort, replacing one cartoon daily with an AI tool can ignite a passion for learning. So, let's encourage a creative revolution among the younger generation. Rather than indulging in temporary entertainment, investing in technology could pave the way for lifelong success. With the right tools and encouragement, kids can not only enjoy their screen time, but also sculpt their futures. The adventure of learning AI begins now. Let's do it together on Times Edge Studio. Don't forget to subscribe.